How to translate RedNote. So to start, the first thing that you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store. After that, you will have to search for the RedNote app. In here, if it says update, all you need to do is to tap on the update option. Once you're done updating the app, tap on the open option. And then once you're on your account, tap on the me option. And then after that, tap on 3 bars. And then in here, we'll have to tap on the gear icon. And then after that, under settings, we'll have to tap on general settings. In here, you will now see the languages option. What we need to do is to tap on this one. And then after that, you will be given 3 languages. So in other countries, the auto-translate option will be seen under the English language. But since it's not yet available on my country, what I'm gonna do is to select on the English option. But if it's available in your country, all you need to do is to select the auto-translate option. After that, you will have to tap on the save option. Once you're done with that, it will automatically refresh the RedNote app. And then in here, you will now see on your account that the languages are auto-translated. But since I'm only using the English option, there are still a lot of languages that are written on Chinese. So what you need to do is just to wait for the auto-translate option to appear on your RedNote app and then select on that option for you to see English translation on your RedNote application. So that's how easy we can translate RedNote. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.